8.13. Find tan P minus cot R. Okay. What is the formula of tan P? Side opposite to P over side adjacent to P. Side opposite to P is QR. We don't know the value of QR. First find the value of QR by using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, right? First write given. What is given? So given PQ equals to 12 centimeters. PR equals to 13 centimeters. Okay. In triangle PQR, where is right angle? Angle Q is right angle. So angle Q equals to 90 degrees. By Pythagoras theorem, using Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem statement? Hypotenuse square equals to side square plus side square. Here hypotenuse is QR because right angle opposite is called the hypotenuse. So PR equals to PQ square plus QR square. PQ square plus QR square. Okay. That equals to PR value 13 square equals to PQ value 12 plus QR square. 13 square value 169 equals to 12 square value 144 plus QR square. Okay. So 169, 44 transpose to left side minus 144. 144 transpose to left side minus 144 equals to QR. So 169 minus 144 is 25 equals to QR. Square transpose to left side square root 25 equals to QR. So square root of Q 25 is 5 equals to QR. Therefore the value of QR is 5 centimeters. Now we will find tan P minus cot R. See, tan P minus cot R. Tan P formula. What is the tan P formula? Side opposite to P. Side opposite to P by side adjacent to P. Side adjacent to P minus cot R means side adjacent to R minus side opposite to R. Okay, side adjacent to R by side opposite to R. Side adjacent to R by side opposite to R. Okay, side opposite to P. What is side opposite to P? QR. Okay, adjacent is PQ minus side adjacent to R is QR by opposite is PQ. That equals to QR value 5. PQ value 12. Here also QR value 5, PQ value 12. Okay. So now see 12 is the LCM. 5 minus 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. 0 by 12. 0 by 12 is 0. So the value of tan P minus cot R is 0.